Excess and obsolete inventories result in billions of dollars evaporating on warehouse shelves. Many companies feel the perpetual pain point of inventory imbalance, but they don't address it early or ignore or hide the problem. You can no longer sweep this problem under the rug in the hope that the E&O parts will somehow be consumed. Materials ending up in the E&O category translates into huge losses. The current methods to address the E&O problem are short-term bandage fixes and not actually a long-term solution. Demand forecast inaccuracy, longer and longer lead times, and minimum order requirements all contribute to exacerbating the E&O problem. Dealing with this problem and the resulting cancellation and return request disputes between customers and suppliers drain company resources. In the next few years, these problems will become even worse. Inaccurate forecasts, fluctuating demand, and inventory excess issues cause big supply chain headaches. Excess inventory reduces liquidity, consumes resources, depreciates in value, and eats into your margins. E&O parts are often ignored, discarded, written off, or liquidated at a fraction of their original acquisition cost. Do you feel like you are spinning your wheels trying to find an E&O solution? Are your inventory headaches making you feel helpless? Digital transformation of your supply chain is no longer an option. It's a requirement. Using proven supply chain methodologies, MOQller delivers an innovative, integrated digital platform that allows you to share inventory pipeline visibility in a vertical online marketplace. After comparing materials on hand, in the pipeline, and ordered by customers, you can determine what extra parts can be sold on MOQller. You can list your excess quantities on MOQller immediately after you place your initial order with your supplier, allowing buyers to purchase in lower quantities and with faster lead times. MOQller acts as a pressure relief valve, allowing you to alleviate E&O problems by selling off excess parts on an as-needed basis and recover most of your acquisition cost. MOQller allows you to eliminate existing E&O inventory problems and helps prevent the creation of more excess inventory in the future. With MOQller, you can eliminate resource drain, recover acquisition costs, and improve customer and supplier relations. If you want to eliminate your E&O headaches, contact MOQller to schedule a demo of our new platform that will transform the way you deal with E&O problems. We look forward to partnering with you soon.